In this video I'm going to show you how to rotate tires on a four-wheel drive truck. And at the end of the video I'll also show you how to rotate tires on a all-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, and even a four-wheel drive if you want to rotate your spare. Hearing protection. You could use a breaker bar, or I like to use an impact gun. 7/8 inch socket's what my truck takes. And here you have it. There's a rear-wheel drive. You take your front tires and just cross them to the back, take the rear tires and just roll them forward. And you got the front wheel drive, you can see, cross the rear tires to the front, take the two front tires and go straight back. The all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive, that's what I just did. I just crossed my cross all the tires, take the rear tires and cross them, take the front tires and cross them. And then if you want to rotate with your spare, my spare is different, so I'm not rotating it. That's how you would do it with a four-wheel drive with a spare. Any questions on rotating your tires, just put it in the comments, like and subscribe. Thanks.